guys, it's Supercar Blondie. I have something really special for you all right now. I have been given behind the scenes access to BMW and their vehicles right before their world launches. We are here behind the scenes. You can see all the vehicles kind of covered up right now. It is close to midnight, the night before the world premieres. I'm in Frankfurt at the IAA. It's a massive auto show here held every 2 years. So we really have to wait to get this exclusive access. Now you can see something flashing behind me. This is where we're going to start. This is their BMW Armored Vehicle series, okay, and I'm going to show you what's so special about this car. Right, come on with me. So these cars are fully bulletproof. These doors, everything on the car can withstand bullets from an AK-47. The flooring can withstand a hand grenade going off as well. An option for the roof, you can have extra protection for drone attacks. Now take a look at what's happening over here. They've just shot it up. And where you see all of these little stickers, that means that the bullet actually broke when it hit the car door. Take a look behind as well. There are 3 good ones, aren't there? A couple of good ones, but see how it just bends in. This door weighs about 80 kilos, which is about 4 times as heavy as a standard door on an X5. You get this blue light, which is cool. Who doesn't like a blue light? It's just an integrated button in the car. You just flick that switch. That should be off now. Yep. Take a look at how thick the glass is on a bulletproof window. Look at that. That's a good, this thick. Mad, hey? You've got to wind that up before you close the door, because otherwise things go a bit haywire. This here is quite interesting. A little gift for, oh, hashtag Supercar Blondie. Hang on a minute. This is something you get given when you buy a protection vehicle from BMW, this little coin here. And what happens is when you go around the world and you meet other people who have been given a protection vehicle, you can swap coins. It's kind of like a little protection vehicle community. And everyone swaps their coins, and I suppose you can track who got it first and where in the world it's been taken to and swapped and moved hands and stuff. So that's like a little, I don't know, little community token that you get. Now this one here isn't protected. It's really thin, it's normal, but then you see this one here into the back is protected. That is fully bulletproof glass. Oh, I'm knocking on it like men do. That's what men do, don't they? Walk up to every wall in the house and just knock on it. Oh, what's this one? Oh yeah, good. Just listen to the different sound here. Oh, that's quality right there. Quality. Better knock on it again just to make sure. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to tell my friends about it. Hey mate, come over here, knock on this glass, hey? Oh, quality mate. Alright, now what else can I tell you about this? These tyres here, they're run flat tyres, so if this gets shot, what happens is you can still drive for 50 kilometers at a speed of 80 kilometers an hour. So you can kind of still escape, get away. The other interesting couple of things is the fuel tank. After an attack, it automatically closes off to avoid spillage. After a collision, it makes sure that the engine still keeps running so that you can drive away. So there are a few different things here that they've had to do. It's not just stick on some bulletproof glass, it's working internally with the car as well, making sure that you can always avoid an attack or get away from a situation. And that's pretty much the rundown on the BMW Protection series. We're going to go across the hall now and take a look. I've got 3 more cars behind the scenes, exclusive access. Let's go. that's what it's called. BMW Concept 4. Look at this color. This color is called Forbidden Red. Take a look at how this shines. This is the future of the 4 Series. This is going to be a camera. You see here there's no mirror, that's just for design purpose. And then inside here there's a little floating BMW logo. Now come this way. We're looking at the 3rd car here. So just take a look at this. Can you even see that car? It completely, I mean, is eaten by the walls around it because it has special nanotechnology coat on top. Just come in here, take a look. They're actually not going to produce this color for a BMW because it would be too dangerous. Literally, if the lights were on, it would look like the car was floating because you cannot see the car due to the coating on top of it. Almost like a coral reef. If you can imagine that kind of texture, that's what that is. Yeah. Take a look at this. Come around the back. It's almost like these lights are floating. You literally, if this wasn't here, you wouldn't see the back of the car. It's crazy. This is what the material actually is. This technology absorbs all the light, so there is absolutely no reflection at any angle. Take a look at that. Very, very costly. As I said, they're probably not going to give it to any customers, even if you request it, because you literally couldn't see the car at night. The i8, my former baby. I don't know if you guys know this. If you've been following me for quite some time, you will have known that I had an i8 and I absolutely loved it so much. So they're actually unveiling this. This is a world premiere of their newest edition. It's called the Ultimate Sophisto Edition, and I'm going to show you what's special about it. So first of all, the color, Sophisto grey, and then you've got these copper trimmings here on the rim. You've got them here along the side of the car. Let's take a look inside. It's actually limited to 200 pieces. Ultimate Sophisto Edition. Look at the carbon fiber here. That detailing is beautiful as well. This is the top of the range i8. And then if you noticed, this color combination, that's what's so special about these. And then the interior reflects the exterior color combination with this grey and the orange here, which is the copper on the outside.